Hey guys, so today I'm making breakfast for two. Alright, plantain and sweet potato. I'm going to boil them and then fry some egg. So I have my ripe plantain, sweet potato, eggs, tomato, pepper, onions, all already washed. So right now I'm going to peel the plantain and the sweet potato and then cut that into the size I want. So this is me doing that. Cut that into the size and then put in the bowl. This is the sweet potato. I'm still going to wash them after peeling. So I'm done. I'm going to pick all the peas now and throw that away, clean up the space, and then wash the sweet potato and plantain. Put that. I already have my water on the heat, so I'm going to put that in the boiling water and then cover that to cook. While that is cooking, it's time to cut the onion. So I chopped the onion and then set aside, blend the pepper and tomatoes, and then break the eggs and put in some seasoning. This is the tomato and pepper. And then this is the egg. So I'm going to stir that together and then fry that. I put my empty pan on the heat, pour in some vegetable oil, allow that to heat up a bit, and I went in with the chopped onions, blended pepper, and then seasoning, allow that to cook to dry. While that has dried, I went in with the egg, and this is it. So I'm going to flip, and then it's ready. Thank you for watching to this point. So it's time to dish it out. I'm going to dish that in the plate and then yeah, enjoy that with family of two. Guys, it was very delicious, so yummy. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, guys. Do so, please subscribe, share my videos. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.